Hi guys, so today I have this new toolkit that Dynapress has brought to HSN ahead of the May 14th craft show. I keep wanting to say March. Oh my gosh, that's almost, well, I mean, that was 2 months ago. But they did send us out free of charge from my review, and of course all opinions are my own, and any links I have in the description box will be affiliate links, which means I'll make a small commission if you purchase items to those links. Sorry, excuse me. So they do have quite a few items already available there on HSN, so I'll have them in the description box, the links, and also possibly in the little shopping bag here once that populates. But this one's very interesting. So I was wondering what that meant. DP starter tool set. So let's open it up, and then I saw an image of it right now. I'm like, oh, okay, so it's for your die cutting needs. And this kind of thing I like for whenever I use like my Cricut and things get stuck on there and just scrape the whole thing, especially when you're making like multiples of a certain image. A lot of times there'll be little bits, like, you know, every 2 inches or however, and it's like, oh. So I scrape it off with that. Or it helps me kind of pick up the whole image, or the whole die cut, you know. But this one, we have a spatula and a little pokey tool that is like, I guess they call it a weeder, so it helps you pick out like the little pieces that might be in your, still stuck in your die cut, right? That happens sometimes. I will say whenever, oh my goodness, excuse me guys, I have allergies, I have to pause here or else it sounds bad. So what I was going to say is that in my experience with my marquee, you know, I run a die through, it comes out pretty clean. But if anything gets stuck in there, you can just poke it out. I have some other dies where that happens quite often. So I'm going to try to run something through just to show you what I mean by that with the weeder. And then this guy also I like for my Cricut mats, or your die, you know, electronic die cutting mats, because it helps you really get under there. It's really thin, so it gets right under, especially if you're doing like vinyl things, stuff like that. It might help you out with that. Again, you can clean out your vinyls with that. And then this guy, I'll show you another use if it happens. So a lot of times it's hard to replicate certain things that do happen as you're die cutting. So for me, a lot of times, like I have these plates here that I was using all weekend during the Anna Griffin Crop at Home 4, and things would get stuck on here. Like right now, there's something stuck on there right now. So I was trying to pick it off, and this kind of thing helps you do it because I was really thrashing my nails, even this little bit here. So you definitely can come in, and this will help you clean it up. I know this looks crazy, but I'm going to run this through, you know, a die just to try and get that replicated for you guys and see what I'm talking about. So let me go grab something that I'm going to run through this guy, and then I'll show you kind of what that looks like, what was left here, and then what's in the die if I need to clean it out. I'll be right back. Actually, I'm going to use this because I do need this for a project I need to finish up. So it's a square die that I have here. And I did not clean that out very well the last time I used this. So there's some little paper in there. So you always want to clean out your dies before you start die cutting with them again, because that space that's taken up by that paper will keep your die from really pushing into that area of the new one that you want to die cut, and it won't be very clean. So you always want to just clean it out before you use it. You know, one little run pass through that, you might have a little piece of paper in there, might be okay, but if you keep doing that, it's building up, it's just going to not cut very well. So this one's ready to go. I'll be right back. Okay, let's see what we got. I know those plates look bad, but isn't that crazy that they're so etched and it still looks great? But anyway, all right, let's get this. So I have some bits in there I can definitely go ahead and pop out for the next one. Again, you can just take a little time to do that. The other one was harder to see because it was black paper, and I still found 2 more before I went to die cut. But this, since it was white paper, I can see very clearly. Then we have this guy, and this guy definitely has some bits. Now, of course, you know, you can go like this, but those ones that are super stubborn, just give them a little pokey poke. And you have those guys out. Right? Okay, so I'll clean that up in just a bit there. And let's see if we have anything stuck on here. So I would say it's kind of hard to recreate. I mean, there's a few here. So again, you can use your nails, or you can not ruin your nails and just kind of pick it off with these guys. If it's just a little bit, if you have a big section, I just kind of go like this, right? Usually right over the trash can, right? So just to get those off. And I mean, that's how I would use these guys. So let me clean up a little bit, and I'll be right back. Okay, guys, just take a closer look. So yeah, just weeded those little bits out, and this die cut is ready to go. So let's take a close look at the actual tools. I didn't really go over that. So this one's white. It has a little thinner bevel in the back. If you want to use it this way, whatever helps you, you know, scrape up your project. Cute little like flower kind of motif on there. Gray handle. This one, these both have the same kind of handle barrel there with the Dynapress logo. That's really lovely, nice and white and pristine, and with the gray accents, I think it's great for, you know, coordinating with all of your craft room supplies. So yeah, I mean, they're nice, sturdy. They look nice, and so I just wanted to show you those a little more up close. And so yeah, I'll continue using them, as you'll see in the videos. I have a few other staple items I kind of want to show you guys also before we really get into the other review tutorials, but excuse me, so keep an eye out all week. I will be rolling out my videos since there are several items that are already there on HSN's site. So yeah, I'll have images, but probably not. So I'll just have the links there in the description box for you guys. Thank you so much, Diane Press, for sending these items for review. I'll see y'all at the next one. Bye now.